the case study discussion on terahertz waves and applications. The terahertz waves are ranging from frequencies from 0.1 terahertz to 10 terahertz in electromagnetic spectrum, and they have some unique features like low photon energy and also high spectral density and high penetration through non-conducting materials. So because of these unique characteristics, they have higher valuable in various fields. We will, in this case study discussion, we will discuss what are the characteristics, how to the generation of terahertz waves in electromagnetic field, and all the future scope also. Let us discuss.
Next we are going to see about properties of terahertz waves, in which they contain possess several characteristics such as ionizing by nature, in which unlike X-rays they do not possess any harmful ionization, so they are useful in biological applications. And next, strong penetration. It can pass through materials like paper, plastics and textiles, which do not cause any non-destructive imaging, and high spectral resolution, in which they are used in spectroscopy, which can be used for material identification, and absorption by water. It is beneficial for finding water content in the materials.
When it comes to generation of terahertz waves, there are several ways which include photoconductive antennas. Imagine using a super fast laser to zap a special. There are several ways which include photoconductive antennas. Imagine using a super fast laser to zap a special material like semiconductor. This makes the electron in the material to jump around quickly as they move, and this produces the terahertz waves. And next, quantum cascade laser. Here they uses like a tiny and high-tech gadgets made of layer of special materials. When the electricity passes through these materials, it produces terahertz waves. And optical rectification. Think of shining laser pulse through a special crystal. In this, the crystal squeezes the laser light and transform it into the terahertz waves. And at last, it's a free electron laser. Here, which uses a super speedy electron to transform the very strong terahertz waves. And each method has its own cool way of making terahertz waves. And researchers can use the best one depend on their need.
Applications of terahertz waves. So the terahertz waves are used in security applications like detecting weapons and explosives in public places. And secondly, it is used in medicinal applications, which aids us to detect skin cancer and also burns without any invasive procedures. Thirdly, wireless communications. It enables ultra-fast data transfer for 6G networks.
The next part of the application of terahertz, it is used to security systems, and they analyze the materials, and they detects the counterfeit medicines, and then space research. Space research uses for studies the cosmic dust and star formation in the deep space. And then last part of environmental monitoring. It is the useful for measures in moisture in crafts, and then detects the pollutions in the air.
மேம் கிளார் அடிக்குது, உங்கள் ஃபேஸ் தெரியவே இல்லை. சேஞ்ச் ஆகிக்கிறீங்களா? வரல
இங்கேருந்து எடுத்து வரலையா?
இந்த அப்படிங்க கிளார் அடிக்குது, எந்த சைடு இருந்தாலுமே உங்கள் ஃபேஸ் தெரியும். அதான்
challenges in Terahertz technology. It expected the advantages. Terahertz technology is face certain limitations, limited source and direction, affected in the Terahertz generation. detection remains challenging. High absorption by water. It effectiveness in room environment. High cost and complexity. They use advanced material and technologies for making them expensive. Short transformation range. Attenuation limits their use in long distance communication.
I'm going to tell about the future properties of the terahertz waves. It is very advanced, the terahertz waves in chips, which leads the device and which is very affordable for the terahertz devices. In integration of the terahertz, it is used as 6GP, which transfer the data and other networks very faster because of using the 6GP. In the biomedical applications, terahertz is used to elaborate and give the solutions briefly. And basically, the terahertz waves is depend upon the quantum computing transforming devices, which transfers the device very faster.
I hope after the discussion and studies we made, we have a great insight about terahertz waves and their application. And the terahertz waves are most fast-growing field with existing application in medicine for non-invasive diagnostic, and in astronomy for studying the universe, and communication for future 6G network, and in security for detecting hidden objects. While the challenges remains, ongoing researchers make the terahertz wave technology more efficient and accessible. And the way of breakthroughs through to advanced electronics and high-speed networks, and the technology and the terahertz waves looks incredibly promising.
Thank you, dear students. You have well contributed for this discussion, starting from generation of terahertz wave to future scope. Thank you so much.
Thank you.